Ever felt the frustration of waiting ages for your money to arrive? You're not alone. Especially when it comes to bank transfers, that agonizing wait can feel like an eternity. But what about Ally Bank? Are their transfers lightning fast, or do they crawl at a snail's pace? Let's dive in and find out. Imagine this: you're finally closing that big sale, that sweet freelance gig, or maybe you're just trying to cover a last-minute emergency. You're excited to see those funds hit your account, ready to put them to work. But then, the wait begins. Days turn into agonizing hours, and you're left wondering, where's my money? Transfer speeds can vary wildly depending on the bank, the transfer method, and even the time of day. Some banks are notorious for their slow transfers, leaving you feeling like your money is stuck in limbo. But Ally Bank has built a reputation for being a tech-forward bank. So, are their transfers as fast as they claim? Ally Bank's transfer options. Let's break down the main ways to transfer money with Ally Bank. Internal transfers. These are transfers within your Ally accounts. For example, moving money between your Ally savings and checking accounts. These are usually instantaneous, meaning you should see the funds reflect immediately. External transfers. This is where things get a bit more nuanced. Incoming transfers, when you're receiving money from another bank into your Ally account. ACH transfers. These are the most common type of transfer. They typically take 1 to 3 business days to complete. Wire transfers. These are faster but more expensive. They usually take 1 to 2 business days, sometimes even same day, depending on the receiving bank. Outgoing transfers, when you're sending money from your Ally account to another bank. ACH transfers, again, the standard. Expect them to take 1 to 3 business days. Wire transfers, faster and more expensive, typically completing within 1 to 2 business days. Factors influencing transfer speed. Here are some factors that can influence how long your Ally Bank transfer takes. The time of day. Transfers initiated late in the day may not be processed until the next business day. The day of the week, weekends and holidays can significantly delay processing times. The receiving bank. The speed of the receiving bank's processing system can also play a role. Transfer method. As we discussed, ACH transfers are generally slower than wire transfers. Ally Bank's customer service. If you're concerned about the status of your transfer, Ally Bank offers excellent customer service. You can reach them through various channels, including phone, chat, and email. They can provide updates on the status of your transfer and help troubleshoot any issues. Here are a few tips to speed up your Ally Bank transfers. Initiate transfers early in the day to increase the chances of your transfer being processed on the same day. Avoid weekends and holidays. Schedule transfers during weekdays to avoid delays. Use wire transfers when speed is crucial. If you need the funds quickly, a wire transfer is the way to go, although it will incur additional fees. Double-check account information. Ensure all account details are entered correctly to avoid delays or failed transfers. Real-world examples and testimonials. Let's hear from some real people who have experienced Ally Bank transfers firsthand. I recently received a freelance payment via ACH transfer to my Ally account. It took exactly 2 business days to arrive, which was right on schedule. Name/anonymous user. I needed to make a quick payment to a vendor. I used a wire transfer through Ally Bank, and the funds were received by the vendor the next business day. It was a lifesaver. Name/anonymous user. Please note that these are general guidelines, and actual transfer times may vary. Always refer to Ally Bank's official website or contact their customer service for the most up-to-date information. Overall, Ally Bank generally offers reliable and competitive transfer speeds. While ACH transfers take the standard 1 to 3 business days, their internal transfers are typically instant, and wire transfers provide a faster, albeit more expensive, option. By understanding the factors that influence transfer times and following a few simple tips, you can ensure your money gets where it needs to go efficiently. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.